Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make a prismatic smoothie. First, select 3 to 5 different colored fruits and vegetables. The key is to create distinct layers, so each blend needs to be thick and creamy. Prepare each color separately in your blender, ensuring they are vibrant and ready for layering. This initial step sets the foundation for a visually stunning and delicious drink. To achieve those beautiful, distinct layers, start with frozen fruit in your blends. This helps create a thicker consistency that melts slowly, preventing colors from mixing too quickly. Always pour your thickest layer into the bottom of the glass first. Then, carefully spoon or pour the next, slightly less dense layer on top. This gentle approach is crucial for clear separation. For vibrant colors, consider specific ingredient pairings. A bright green layer can be made with spinach and banana. For a rich purple or red, blend various berries with a touch of yogurt. Mango and pineapple are perfect for a sunny yellow. Experiment with different fruits and vegetables to discover your favorite combinations and create a truly unique prismatic effect. For the best results, chill your serving glass in the freezer for about 10 minutes before you start layering. This helps keep your smoothie layers firm and distinct for longer. Once all your colorful layers are in, feel free to add fun toppings like chia seeds, granola, or fresh fruit slices. And hey, while you're making smart choices, remember life's too short for cheap socks. Check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.